Hey guys, Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Rare on Monday for May 21st, 2018. As you can see, I just logged in just now. So, what is this Demon Girl about? SpyKid22. Hi, SpyKid22. If you are watching this, yeah. Thanks for the better request. So, let's go discover where the Rare on Monday is. And I don't know where it is. So anyway. Nope. Mark this down, guys. It's not in Coral Canyons. It's probably... Ooh. Whoa! Guys, it's a rare soccer mask. And it looks awesome. 950 gems. Or 925 I meant. Bro, this is awesome. Okay, guys, so this rare soccer ball mask is the Rare on Monday for today. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe me. And turn off notifications. So, see you guys, and yeah. Peace out.